Hey guys, good evening. Um, for tomorrow, you have episode 8 due. The Google Meet is at 11:15. I'll put a code in Google Classroom tomorrow morning. I just wanted to go over the questions first. So, this is about Jay, and you're going to hear him on the stand a lot. And the questions are you're supposed to take notes on different parts of Jay's persona, which means take notes on different parts of his personality, the way he speaks, what he does, and what other people say about him. Okay? So, the other thing you're going to do is be able to describe Jay's tone of voice. And so, to describe somebody's tone of voice, there's this link on the bottom of this, and you're going to click on that, and then it's going to go to all of these 155 words describing tone of voice. So somebody's tone might be accusatory, right? Somebody's tone might be acerbic. So like the defense lawyer might be acerbic or forthright or biting or abrasive, okay? Because she kind of yells at Jay and she's in his face, right? Somebody might be ardent, very passionate about what they're saying. And so tomorrow during the Google Meet, I might ask you, can you come up with a word to describe Jay? What's his tone of voice on the stand? Or can you describe the defense attorney's tone of voice? And we're going to talk about how does tone of voice affect how then you are perceived. Okay, so those are the questions. And again, you're going to take notes on like what people say about him. So Sarah talks about how he's an African American, and 7 out of the 10 jury members, 7 out of 12 jury members are also African American. Okay. Later, some friends say that he's tall, lanky, good runner, right? So you're going to take notes about like things he does, things he says, both the things he says on the stand and things he says to other friends. And then these questions ask you about like how does tone of voice affect how people view you or how you are treated. Okay? So by 11:15 tomorrow, if you're going to do the Google Meet, you want to like at least listen to the episode and maybe jot down a few notes, okay, in case I call on you and ask you a few things, okay? But we will work on this a little bit together too. We're going to do it together. All right. So have a good night. Have a good morning, like whenever you watch this. And hopefully I will see you at 11:15 tomorrow.